Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can quickly pair your Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro with any Windows laptop. So first of all, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case and then open this cover. Next, we have to find this button. As you can see, it appears in this place. We have to click and hold it until this indicator on the front starts blinking. Just like that. Take a look, it's blinking right now. So we have to keep that case open and put it close to our PC. Next, we have to smoothly move for the start, then go to the settings. Right now, go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn it on by tapping on this switcher and click to add device. And finally select Bluetooth. Right now, just wait until our earbuds pops on the list. We can find them just right here, so click on them once. As you can see, we are connected right now. At the end, I can recommend you to open the sound settings. So go for the system, select sound, and just check if the output and the input is selected to our buds. As you can see, I have to switch manually for the microphone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.